98 GMC. The headlamps are fucked up. Try to buff these motherfuckers out. Are these two studs got to come out here? One right here and one right there. It's a 5mm. That's what they look like. Alright, here it is. All fucking oxidized and shitty. Just tired of riding around with my high beams on. See if that'll make a difference. Could also be an electrical issue as well, but my headlights are just real dim. So we'll see if this fixes it. I got a cotton wheel on my grinder. I'm using this the 3M rubbing compound. There's some better stuff out there. This is just what I had laying around. Alright, what I'm going to do now is just take a rag and just kind of put a thin coat on it. Try not to let it dry. Keep it wet, and I'm going to hit it with that wheel. It up a little. Whatever. Cheaper than that fucking kit they got for sale. A little bit of a difference.